Hey guys, it's me, Mac, again, and doing the second review in the wilderness. And of course we have Ben here again. He's in my third video, because we have the base, the gunship, and the shuttle. Okay, I'm perfect. So I'm going to hand it off to Bob, and if you hear any snoring, it's my dog, Purdy. So yeah, okay, and I don't know why Ben is laughing. Okay, so we got it's a very nice gunship. So this should swivel up and down. This one doesn't work, it just slides back to here. So then you can put pilots in there. Then we got these single things up here. And then this is for when you have an asthmatic droid. You can put them up here and give feed to some of you guys. And then you can have control stuff in there. You can put more asthmatic droids. So yeah, and then in here you have like a little escape pod. It's very cool. Then in here you have two, I'll close it. So you got the things. So one, it opens up like this. There's a little knob at the back. Right there. Just opens and closes them. Just switches up in there. So yeah, and we got a little thingy, and my dad is in here for the second time in the camping room. He's picking his nose, and sorry about that. And we got a little speeder bike thingy, and then we got two little bubble things here. And then up here, and these are on both sides. Up here we got this Canon mobile thing, which I'm missing the other cool thingy. You can see my fingers in it. And then you got these flick fire missiles, which I'm not gonna flick, people. I'm not flicking them, because we're out in the wilderness. So then we got this thing that fell off. You can fit some people in there. And there's a DC-15 down in there. Sorry about that. Now to the back. It's very complicated. This thing switches up like that. You can put cargo in there. So yeah, that's a cool thing. And then there's turrets down in here. There's a turret that goes there. And then this is for a speeder bike. Close that up. Yeah. Then it goes around and the speeder bike sticks in there. And yeah, I think I've shown you everything. So yeah, okay. Wait, I'm going to tell you the people. It comes with one clone, Commander Cody, Plo Koon, Age of Ventress, and Obi-Wan. So yeah, bye.